Okay, here we are on the 4.3 classwork. Goal for today is to do numbers 1 through 6. So something you might want to write at the top to help you remember is what we talked about in the video, which is that the part equals percent times the whole. Okay. Now, could you also continue doing the proportion, the part over the whole equals percent over 100. Absolutely. It just takes a little longer. Okay. So number one, it just says, solve each problem using an equation. So just pay attention to like the is and the of. So 49.5 is what percent of 33? So the 49.5 is the part equals, we don't know the percent, times the whole, which is 33. So that means we would divide by 33 on both sides. So we would get 1.5 equals x. Now, the only thing you have to remember with this is you have to turn it into a percent, so that would actually be 150%. Okay, so for some of you, you might be like, I don't want to chance that. I'm just going to stick with the proportion. That's fine. All right, number two, the big question I always get about number two, all of the parts refer back to the original question where it says, this year Benny is 12 years old and his mom is 48 years old. Okay, so they kind of all go together, so just keep that in mind. And then 3 is a similar question, 4 is a similar question. On the back side, now on number 5, Benny's age is currently 200% of his sister Jenny's age. What percent of Benny's age will Jenny's age be in 4 years? This is another one, okay? It's still referring back to that original question. So Benny is currently 12. So you might want to write that at the top. Benny is currently 12, and then from there you're gonna, keep going from that. Okay? So, and that'll be kind of a two-parter. You have to find Jenny's current age first, and then you can actually answer the question. Okay. And then 6, again, is one of those questions that it all goes together with this original question, those original numbers. Okay. So just take the time, use your calculator. Other than that, if you need more help, you can send me an email or come to office hours.